Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, let's take a look again at the Bitcoin market and trying to understand what this coming week could give us on the market currently. So the first glance on Bitcoin, we see clear bearish signs. So first of all, this is divergence with the MACD. Trend has turned bearish here as some wedge formation is forming gradually. But market could spend still some time inside of it. And if even later some deep retracement starts, it seems that at the current moment, the market could show a bit high action, maybe another swing inside of this wedge consolidation before its major action starts. Here's an important few moments. First of all, if you'll take a look at the type how market behaves with this pullback, this is not the bearish, this is not the reversal type of action. It's mostly retracement. Something of that sort and here you could see, because in the moment of the fast drop, in the moment of the reversal, market behaves different. So I don't know whether we will see it on this chart, where some significant drops have happened. So on the daily chart, mostly we do not see it. Maybe some other time frame should be viewed, but here is definitely, this is not the type of action of the reversal. Market reverse down, it usually do this fast and furious, and it usually comes with a strong downside sell-off and acceleration. Currently, this overall action looks more gradual. And that makes me think that maybe reversal is not ripened yet. So we need to wait a bit more. It is growing, but not yet. On the intraday charts, particularly on the follow time frame chart, we have a few moments. The pullback that we discussed on Thursday accurately has happened. If you remember, we talked about 618 support completion, the OP, and said that in an area around 50-51, this could be a healthy pullback just because this is strong support and a BCD target. And to understand what could happen in the nearest time, we could stick with the pattern that we have on the hourly chart. Because here, guys, you could see a bit contradictory moments. First of all, as I said, it's a bit gradual action. It doesn't suggest yet the major reversal on daily. But at the same time, here, on Thursday, we see a strong acceleration down to the OP target. And since we have the XOP on 46, this market could proceed lower as well. A bit lower before some other type of action will happen. And from that standpoint, I think that we could consider hourly chart. So take a look here. Potentially, that's the pattern that we could focus on. This reverse head and shoulders. In the case, if market will hold above the 53 and form right arm here without any of this type of the sell-off, so you could see, if you will see this type of action, right back down with fast acceleration, normal vertical drop, it's definitely will be the bearish sign. In this case, do not take any trades, any long trades with these head and shoulders. But if we will get the gradual type of action, slow action, you need to keep an eye on the 53. For scalp traders, that might be the area to consider taking the scalp long position with the stops, as usual, either just below the support or below the head. For others, that will be just the pattern for indication. So if market will hold this head and shoulders, it means that we will make another swing around inside the daily range pattern to the upside action. In this case, scalp traders could consider this A, B, C, D target right back up. In a case, if market will break these lows, break the forming of the right arm, breaking the 618 support, starting dropping right back down to these lows, it means that we're going to the XOP from 46. So that's our strategy for next week. We intend to use the potential bullish pattern on the hourly chart. That could give us the clarity on what will happen. And Logic here is very simple, as I said. Appearing of the pattern, holding of this pattern means another swing inside of the daily hedge, the daily wedge pattern. I mean, swing to the upside, of course. Failure of this pattern, breaking the hand shoulders and start dropping back to the 50 lows, means that we are going to the 46. That's the overall idea that we intend to use in the current circumstances on the Bitcoin. In the shorter term, I personally do not see something else that could help us to find the correct, make the decision on the correct direction. So that's the only tool that I see currently that we could use in general.